Have you tried to send videos on LinkedIn, but found it super slow and time consuming to record an individual video for every person you're reaching out to? Sendspark makes it easy to embed personalized videos in GrowthX. So you can create one video and then automatically add your viewer's first name when sending them the video. For example, in this video sent to Brandon, you can see it pulled in his first name here. You can also include like the company name, job title, or other information. The way you set this up just takes a few minutes. In Sendspark, you can record or upload a video here, and then you can customize your video share page to use dynamic variables. And it's going to be this top line up here. That's what shows in the LinkedIn preview. So you can see, hi, Brandon. And the way you can set this up is when editing the header, just write hi, and then use the placeholder you want to use. And this is going to show up in the preview. And then when people click, they watch the rest of your video on this page. To share it in GrowthX, what you want to do is just click the share video option and copy the snippet for GrowthX. And if you don't see it here, no worries. Click Edit Add and make sure that GrowthX is selected. And you can customize this share modal however you want. So you can select GrowthX, unselect platforms you're not using, and if you use any email automation platform, you can select that as well. And then just click this link to copy it. And in GrowthX, when you're setting up your campaign, just paste your video here. And you can see here, it's going to automatically pull in those same dynamic variables that you have in the rest of your messages on GrowthX. One thing to keep in mind when sending a video in any type of LinkedIn automation is this preview is only going to show up once you're either already connected to someone or they've accepted your InMail. So I definitely recommend using this as the follow-up message, and maybe even leaving the invite message blank. It's up to you. But I would usually leave something that's either blank or just like agree to connect before you kind of jump into how you can help, and then save the personalized video for that message right after they accept. But happy recording, and let us know if there's anything we can do to make your LinkedIn personalized outreach better. Thanks.